Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Making for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be popping this palette's cherry. I am so fucking excited about this. I actually unboxed it in the video, but I'm going to show you the color story. Looks like this. Everything about it, I was like, I'm getting that no matter fucking what. And so I did. So I'm going to be taking this baby's virginity today. And if you guys want to see how I got this look or hear my final thoughts on this palette, or if you just like to watch, then hang out. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. This fucking package is cute as shit. And honestly, I feel like not only am I a member of the Bad Witch Club, I am the fucking president. So, oh, I'm glad. I'm so glad that the package is as cute as the fucking box. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, awesome. This looks really good. Okay, so as you guys know, in the past, oh, one sec. Actually, I'm using my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas in Illustrate. Just because, remember, I told you guys that I wanted to try this and see if it actually held as well as the P. Louise primer. When I first bought this primer, I bought it because I heard that it was a dupe for the P. Louise primer. And I felt like when I actually used it, essentially, it didn't hold my looks the same way P. Louise does. But when I used it the other night, I really liked the way that my shadow blended on it, but it was the Club Nebula palette, and so it's just hard. It just really depends on your preference, I think, so I just want to try it to see if it has the same staying power as the P. Louise does. And since it's so inexpensive, it's easy to really pack that shit on there. As you can see, I'm like... I'm gonna start with let me spell it out for you. Let me spell it out for you. I see what they did. And I'm just gonna make sure that this is not gonna crease at all on me. And I'm gonna use my alter ego #1 just because I just want to try something different. I really enjoyed that Kaleidos brush that I used the other day or yesterday for that look. Or not yesterday, because I spent all day yesterday fucking... What did I spend all day yesterday doing? Editing. Green is not my usual, as most of you know. But I wore this greenish dress today just to do a greenish look. And I've been saving it actually. I really like it that this is what they chose as their fall palette. It says season fall, the Bad Witch Club season fall. And I like that this is their fall palette because it's actually a color story that I enjoy. It's the cool tones, and so I don't know. I keep telling myself I'm going to get my shit together and get into those like grungy. Well, I've got a palette coming that I will be forced to get into it. So, okay, I'm going to use my Wayne Goss number 16 and I'm going to go to Relax, It's Only Magic. And this is probably going to be a filthy, dirty mess. So I'm just essentially going around, and I'm being really careful because this brush is so big. I should have used something smaller actually. But I'm just hoping that the cool tones in the green are just going to make it all okay. Okay, I'm going back into with my alter ego number 1 into Let Me Spell It Out For You. I really like that. Okay, I'm going in. I really want to get this deeper on the inner corner and the outer corner. There we go. Is my mirror over too far? You guys let me know. I mean, I'll probably see it when I edit, but... That is fucking cute. So as you guys can see, I'm really having to dip and build, dip and build. So that's fine, but that's just what's going on. Ooh. Ooh, I really like that. Okay, this was a bad choice, I feel like. So I'm going to go in with something a little more precise-ish. My Jessup 227. And I'm going to go into Relax It's Only Magic. And I'm just barely feathering this because I don't want those two colors to muddy up. And also I felt like I was getting this like weird, some weird patchiness right there. So I wanted to kind of get it a little more. No additional product. That actually really worked. Oh, see, I'm just wiping. It's coming off. Fucking give me glow. Yeah, I mean, it looks okay. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like that white patch right there, and I'm not going to... This is basically what I would... Well, no, I guess this is a mid-tone in here. So maybe I'll just go like this. I'm going to take my another Jessup 227, and I'll go into this Don't Make Me Get My Broom. And I'll just take this. This is the light. And I'll just go like this. And kind of, ooh, that's pretty fucking cool, really. Okay, so I kind of just use that to cover that up because this is like a mid-tone shade in this palette. So, yeah, okay. I just need to... And I'll just go on the underside. I really like that, actually. That blend, I mean, it's doing the thing. Yeah, I like that, actually, a lot. That actually went miraculously. Look at that. I mean, it really went together. Like peanut butter in the 80s. Okay, now I'm going to go into Relax It's Only Magic, the Periwinkle Bluer. And then I'm taking that Wayne Goss and I'm just going to drag it I'm going to use my Spectrum A16 to apply NYX Glitter Primer. And then my Jessup 234, I'm going to use the color No Mortals Allowed, which oh my gosh. Oh my bird. Wow. That's exciting. I'm just going in to let me spell it out for you so I can give it a little tappy. And then into Relax It's Only Magic because I don't really love what I got going on here. Man, I really like that don't make me get my broom. Okay, well. I'm going to use a Voldemorphe M506 to kind of just build up that green right here. Actually, this is my Crown C528. Oops. I really, you know, I want to keep that dimension in the back because I want this to look like dark. Ooh, okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wipe that green off that, or maybe I'll just use another one. I'm going to use a Voldemorphe M506 and I'm going to go into No Mortals Allowed. And I'm just going to... And then into... Let me spell it out for you. Why do I ever use anything other than a Voldemorphe M506? I'm just feathering this up and look at, it's just blending like... blending like the memories of my party days. That's fun. That was a fun one. I hope you guys laugh at all my jokes as much as I do. Ooh, I left the lid off my fucking NYX Glitter Primer. You guys. Wow. Okay. I love this. It is stunning. Stunning. Okay. Let's move on from that. Now, I got my favorite inner corner highlight brush. But I don't have my favorite inner corner highlight. So hopefully this isn't as dark as it looks. I'm going to go into Coven Confessions for my inner corner highlight. Because even if this isn't an inner corner highlight shade, it doesn't fucking matter because it's so pretty. And also, it will pull the look together. I don't necessarily need a light inner corner for this look anyway. I don't really have any... Ooh... I'm really happy with this. Really fucking happy with it. This is the look. I'm gonna go finish it and I'll be back when I'm done. Dudes, I love this makeup look more. Here, let me get my fucking mirror out of here. Get my big fat mirror out of here. I love this makeup look more than I have loved anything in a really long time. I feel like I look so fucking pretty. I just need to say, okay, I guess I'm gonna say this like right off. This green totally blends into this purple if you're super careful, and I bet it would blend into this one too. Now, I'm not advising anyone to blend a green into a purple. All I'm saying is that if you want to, it is possible. These two colors both have enough blue in them to pull it off. And honestly, I was starting to think, I'm like, God, I did it again. I went all the way to the brow bone and it looks like shit and it's like blah, blah, blah. And honestly, I just kept blending, kept blending. And honestly, like, I love this more than I've loved anything in a while. So yeah, I'm really excited. This shimmer is literally the best thing that's happened to me. Maybe this year. Actually, no, this has been a banner year for me. I'm lying. All the best things have happened to me this year. So like, honestly, if this was the best thing that happened to me this year, then I would probably be a little tiny bit fucked. Also grateful that I got this. So yeah, I've been down, bitch, okay? I've been down. Like, I've had years where that would have been the best thing that happened to me, except I wouldn't have been able to afford this motherfucker. So anyway, I'm super excited about this. I'm really glad that I love this. I am going to tell you guys, I don't think that I'm loving this eyeshadow primer. I don't know if it's, I don't know what it is. I just don't think I love it as much as I want to. Maybe I'm just starving for some fucking different shit. I feel like that's what it is I just want to try some different things and decide whether I like them or not. Oh, excuse me. I just want to try some different things. I'm just a little bit bored and I just want to do, I'm tired of fucking just routining the fucking house, right? Okay, so I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs. Actually, I have Rouge and Rogue eye wigs laying all over the place, and so I actually don't know which ones these are. I just pulled them out of a fucking uncased thing. I don't think they're Slayer, though. I think they might be Electra. I'm not positive. And then I used my Menagerie blush palette, but like just a little tiny bit because like I forgot, and then I went over it with this color and honestly wish I would have used this color. And then I used my Alien Cosmetics, or actually my Unearthly Cosmetics, formerly Alien Cosmetics, in the color Linda. Fucking love it, dude. And then I also used my Alien Cosmetics, my Unearthly Cosmetics, formerly Alien Cosmetics, Low Light palette in Low Light as my highlighter. What else? Oh, and then I used my Inglot number 66 for my waterline, and it's this color right here, and I fucking love it. So when I first like really started getting into Stacey Marie, these were the colors. This was the color that I got from like her inspiration. So I feel like that's everything. Yeah. Love it. I'm super excited. I'm so sorry if you guys end up getting a double feature today, but I'm gonna try to get this uploaded today. So, love it. I love this palette. I'm really excited. I'm gonna just fuck with it as much as I can get away with. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality, my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. Go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, my Patreon, check it out. The link is down below. I actually ended up uploading the video that I was gonna put on my Patreon on my channel, so I didn't want to upload that one onto my Patreon because I didn't want you guys to not get it. So I'm gonna have a hard time with that, and you guys are gonna help me like remember that I'm valuable. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.